So we're going to talk about the word alignment, but we're going to talk about actually the alignment or the posture of the rider. So in the position that Ted's in currently with the tree behind him, he's a left foot forward rider and he's in a posture position. Ankles and knees are slightly bent. The core is running right down through the middle between his feet. So in this position, Ted could lean to his left, and you'll see his toes are starting to rise a little bit more till the toes rise. Toes are pulling up. He's going to lean a little more to the right by pushing his core and belly button there. You see his heels are starting to lift there. So what I'm saying to you guys on the other side of the channel is I lean with. So I lean right and I go right. I lean left and I go left because of the side cut in the board. So let's not get it too confused. What happens to most riders is they open the chest, as Ted will do now. You can see that this is taking him from a balanced position over both feet to where he's back on his rear foot. It doesn't have a board on, it doesn't make a difference. So Ted will turn around real quick with the right foot forward so those people can see that. And Ted is now opened up on the right side, and you can see that the back knee is pushing out and the front foot is elongated up to the hip and the shoulders are open. So reference alignment in line with the board. Posture. Now Ted will show you a right foot forward rider in a bad posture position because they need to look at their feet to see what they're doing. So you could actually look deeper. As he looks deeper, you notice that he has lost the posture position of good balance over both feet. The butt is tucked, the butt is tucked back, and the head is looking down. Generally speaking, right or left foot riders do this because they're thinking about falling and they're staring at their feet. That takes them out of posture, which will allow the board side cut to work good. So Ted will now flip over to left foot forward rider, and he will do the same thing. And again, you will notice as he looks at his feet, the butt starts to move back. We're actually folding at the hips for you people who need to know more about anatomy. So this would be a bad riding position. Again, it is oftentimes controlled by fear, lack of being able to hold that line and balance because posture has been lost. All right? So we showed that on a static position. We'll now show it a little bit riding, and I hope you guys like this. This is a small clip. This is a discovery clip. I want you to discover, are you in posture or not? All right? We'll move over to with the board on and take some bad posture positions. Ted will demonstrate now a position of riding that where the posture has been lost. This affects the edging for both heel and toe tight turns, and will make it a little bit harder for you to just have a great day. Well, next time up, and I'll show the posture position a little bit worse than what Ted did. You can see that the board is still tracking because I'm staying in line with the board with my upper body, shoulders, and stuff with it. So, hope this helps. I will stand up here in a moment and show a better posture position for someone my age. So, just get the idea that with the stand up, we get a better edge control, we get a better ride overall, and hope this helps. So, hit the like button, subscribe button, and comment if you like, and stay with us and keep shredding ahead. We hope this helps, and I'm sure it will. So stand up straight, stand up taller, let that board edge, and have a great day riding a little bit more like you should.